Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you could use a done for you service to make thousands of dollars every single month in income, passive income, on completely autopilot from the comfort of your home and save time and save hundreds of thousands of dollars by paying someone else online. Keep watching this video because I'm going to share some proof with you, share some real results with you where people are crushing it and people are making thousands of dollars online. So as you can see here, I'm on YouTube channel and you can see these YouTube shorts getting 74 million views, 12 million views, 7.9 million views, 52 million views, 24 million views. Now, if I go to this 74 million view video guy, if I look at his stats, you could see here estimated earning is anywhere from 414,000 to 6.6 million pounds. Now this is estimated earning and he's making all this money from YouTube shorts. Now you're probably asking yourself, how can I create these type of videos? You don't have to hire someone to create these videos. You don't have to tell someone to create these videos for you. You can use a software that will do all the heavy lifting for you, and in my opinion it's one of the best softwares out there that is utilized by all the top gurus and they are crushing it. If you wait till tomorrow, if you wait till another day and you're still thinking, shall I join, let me tell you something. People are going to crush it. They're going to move forward. They're going to be crushing it. They're going to be taking the whole over the internet, and you're going to be still left behind thinking whether this is going to work or not. This is what you need to do. You need to take fast action. Why? Because fast action people will always win. Now, with this software, you could create YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram reels. And if you don't know, let me tell you one more thing. TikTok has introduced a creativity program, which means as soon as you hit 10,000 followers, for every 1,000 views on your TikTok video, TikTok is going to pay you approximately $1. Think about it. When you upload a TikTok video and you get paid $1 per 1,000 views, if you're getting hundreds of thousands of views, how much money you're going to make? There are people making over $10,000 a month from the creativity program on completely autopilot from TikTok, and people are crushing it with the monetization program from YouTube Shorts, and you can use this software to do all the heavy lifting for you. All right, so now in a moment I'm going to show you about this software, how this tool works, and how you can get started with this tool starting today. Start crushing it and start making real money online. So let's dive into this video. The video is called InVideo AI. I'm going to have the link in my description box below this video. I'm going to put the link in, I'm going to pin it in my comment box as well. You can get access to this tool, to this software for free starting today, and start joining the software. Now keep watching because I'm going to show you the power of this video, how this software works, how this powerful tool can do all the heavy lifting for you. You can save a lot of time and you can save a lot of money. If you pay someone else to create an animated video, create a script, create an ad video, they're going to charge you thousands of dollars, and you can do this all starting today for a very, very reasonable, affordable price and start changing your life. People are doing it. People are creating TikTok video, people are creating YouTube shorts, and they are crushing it. So what are you waiting for? Link in my description box below this video, or go to the comment box and the link is going to be there. When you click on that link, you're going to come to a page just like this. You're going to click on sign up and you're going to enter all your details. All right, and once you have entered your details, you're going to get access to this free tool. All right, so let me just show you what the power of this video. This is an AI video. First of all, what you want to do, if you come here and if I scroll down, you can see you could create AI shorts, make explainer video, animated film, use my script. You could add so much stuff to this tool, and software is so amazing. You could create ad videos, you could create animated videos, you could create scripted videos, you could create any kind of video with this tool, and you just have to give them a prompt and they will do all the heavy lifting for you. Now here's what you need to do. Once you have joined using the link in my description box, when you come and you're going to click on sign up, what's going to happen is you want to click on the three bars and you're going to say here voices, and when you click on voices, you want to add your own voice. Why do you want to add your own voice? Because when you add your own voice, it makes you feel, it gives you the confidence, it boosts your confidence, and you're going to hear your voice over a video which you're not professional about. For instance, if you don't know anything about cooking, but you created a video, AI video using cooking, but you're talking into that video, you're going to love that video. You're going to keep on listening to that video, and it's going to make you feel more confidence and do more. So make sure you add your voice. Now remember, to add your voice, the free version is not available for that. You need to have an upgraded account, and I'm going to talk about that in a moment, about the upgraded options that you have. But for now, you can join for free. So let's just talk about this and let's get back to the point. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to give a prompt to this AI tool. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell AI to come here and create a video for me related to cooking. I just showed you this guy cooking, 74 million views. And look how much money this guy is making. This guy is crushing it. Now, you don't have to hire people to go and there and create a script, create video. They're going to charge you thousands of dollars. Why not just use a software like this? All right. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to give this a prompt. All right. Let's just see what they have to come up with. So I'm going to give here and I'm going to say generate a video. And we're just going to wait. Okay. We're just going to wait for them to come out there and create a video for us. So let me just talk about this software, what this software can do for you. So if I scroll here, you could see that this video can do all these animated videos, add video, explore all. All right. So if I just click on this, and it's going to give me all the things that this software can do for me. So it could create all these type of videos. Check this out: cartoon videos, animated videos, okay, scripted videos, animal videos, and it can create ad videos, the YouTube ads, TikTok ads, etc. Look at these type of videos that you can create using this tool. This is a very, very powerful tool. You just give it a prompt and it will do exactly what you want it to do. Okay, so this is the type of video you can create. You could go into any niche, make money online: weight loss, dieting, exercise, cooking, self-help, affiliate marketing, etc. Check this out. These are the type of videos you can create with this tool. All right, and it has so many features down here. So once you have clicked the link in my description box below or in the comment box below, you're going to come here, you're going to click on sign up, and you're going to join today. Don't wait till tomorrow. People are crushing it. They're taking over the internet. All right, by the time you think and you decide, people will be making over 4 or 5 figures a month, and you're still thinking. Okay, once you have joined, it's free to join. Okay, then you're going to have options. Okay, so when you come here, once you have joined, you're going to have a free option. So this is the free option. Okay, I recommend you upgrade your account to generative. Okay, because for $96 a month, which is very affordable and very, very cheap. Now remember, this is optional. You can join for free, okay, and start doing the work, start doing everything what you're doing right now for free. Okay, no problem in that. But why am I recommending it for you to upgrade to the generative $96 a month? Check this out. You could create 200 minutes per month of AI generated video, 320 month iStock, 50 million generated credit, 400 GB storage, unlimited export, 5 hours close, up to 1 user. Plus you can add your own video. And if you think about it, $96 a month to get all these features, which in return is going to make you money like this. Oh my word, this is extremely cheap. You know why? You go and hire someone to create a script for you, create a video for you, create a sales video for you, create an animated video for you, create a cartoon video for you, create anything. He's going to charge you hundreds of dollars for just one video, and you can do all of this for just $96 a month. Oh my god, this is very cheap and very affordable. And not just that, when you pay the $96 a month and you start taking massive action and you start creating video every single day and start uploading it to the YouTube shorts and the TikTok reels to become eligible for the creativity program, this $96 a month is going to become like zero, because you're making 50 times more money back. Now you see the power? So that's why I'm saying, when you click the link in my description box below this video, okay, you're going to come to this page here, click on sign up, create your account today. All right. Once you have created your account, my recommendation is to upgrade your account to the generative $96 a month and start crushing it, start doing it. And you're going to thank me later, and you're going to pray for me for telling you about this today. Because if you don't listen to me today, after 1 year when I come up with the results about the testimonies about other people, you're going to be regretting. So go ahead, take action today. Now keep watching this video, because I'm going to show you the power of this video. I'm going to show you the power of this tool and software. Now, if you can't upgrade, you still have an option to stick to the free version and stay with the free version, or just upgrade to the $28 a month or the $48 a month, wherever you want. But my recommendation is going for the $96 a month, because of the power of this tool and the return that you're going to get by using this software. Okay, so let's just wait for the video to come back, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the video. Now, while the video is being created. Let me just share the power of this tool. Check this out. Check this out. This is what's possible with this tool. Okay, check this out. Okay, if I come here to workflow, all right, you can see this. Okay, you can see all this. Look at this. You could create all these type of videos. Okay, look at this. Short videos, 15-second video, 30-second clips, scripts, screenplay, food video, TikTok shop video, animated ads, generated brand story. Okay, and you could do so much stuff. So if I just go like this, this is the power, right? This is the power of this. Okay. Okay. So this is the power. Check this out. Look at this. Animated film videos, generated videos, short videos, horror film videos, food videos, etc. Check the power. This is the power of this whole tool and whole software that you can use and start creating these videos. This is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. And I have not seen any tool on the market until now that is more powerful than this tool right now. Okay, so this is your chance to crush it now. Remember one thing: whatever you do today, it's going to reflect tomorrow, it's going to reflect after 1 week, it's going to reflect after 1 month, it's going to reflect after 1 year. If you get this software today, start taking action today, after 1 year, when you're going to look back, you're going to say that was the best decision I made. You're going to pray for me. You're going to thank me for telling you this. But if you don't do anything today and you just say, okay, all right, this is all there, this and everyone talks about this, this and that. After 1 year, when you look back and when I show you the results, and when I show you the results with others that have crushed it online, you're going to be regretting. You're going to look back, I wish I would have took action. But then it might be too late. You know why? They might just close the doors. They might not take anyone. Or it might be too late because now it's exaggerated. The market is exaggerated. It's over 100,000 people are doing it. Now it's exaggerated. It's just too late. This is your chance, my friend. This is your chance. I'm sharing real results. These are people are crushing it with the TikTok short videos, YouTube short videos, Instagram Reels. So you need to get on board today. Start doing it. So I'm going to have the link in my description box and in the comment box below this video. I'm going to pin it. Click on that link. Create your free account. Start using it. Okay. And then if you want to first test it with a free version, that's still okay. And if you just want to upgrade straight to the generative, then that's also okay. Whatever you can do, go ahead, start doing it. Because what you do today is going to reflect tomorrow. Reflect after 1 week. Reflect after 1 month. Reflect after 1 year. So there you go. My video is ready. And let's just check this out. Okay. So let's just play this.
Craving something delicious and fiery? This kimchi fried rice is your go-to. Start with a sizzling hot pan and a dash of oil. Toss in chopped garlic and onions. Stir till golden. Add your favorite kimchi. Give it a quick mix. Now, throw in day-old rice. It's key for that perfect texture. Stir it all up, then make a little well in the middle. Crack in an egg. Scramble it right in. Sprinkle in soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Mix it all together, letting those flavors meld. Top with spring onions and sesame seeds. There you have it, a bowl of spicy, tangy, irresistible kimchi fried rice. Like, comment, and share if you're ready to give this a try.
There you go. Check this out, man. Check this out. If I went somewhere and told someone to create a video just like this, he would have charged me, I don't know, $100, $120. I got this done for free, man. Free, okay? Using a software, and I could create like these videos every single day if I have an upgraded account. That's what I'm talking about. Now here's the power. I could edit this video. Check this out. It's giving me all the slides. I could edit any slide. All right, I could do anything. I could upload my own media. I could add another music. I could add another script. I could go to the settings. All right, I could do so much stuff with this. All right, and even I could just add an extra prompt down here and tell this AI software to go and add this extra layer into this video, and it's going to go out there and create and generate, and it's going to generate that video for me. This is the power of this video. Now the question comes, how are you going to monetize this video? So you're going to create these videos, you're going to upload it to Instagram Reels and YouTube Short, TikTok, etc. How are you going to monetize? First of all, once you start creating YouTube Shorts, they're going to allow you to become eligible for the YouTube monetization program, where you're going to crush it and make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. Number two, when you create those TikTok Reels, you're going to be, when you get to 10,000 followers, which I know some people are crushing it with TikTok using these type of videos, guess what? Once you hit that 10,000 followers, you're going to be eligible for the creativity program, where they pay you approximately $1 for 1,000 views. Now imagine getting 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million views. That is so much powerful, okay? Now, this is how you're going to crush it. Then you could crush it with affiliate marketing. You could promote other people's product. You could add your link to the description and tell people to click the link in the description box to learn more. And this is how it's going to go out there and create this video. And this is how you're going to monetize this video. All right. So this is the power to make thousands of dollars every single month in passive income on completely autopilot, using a tool that's doing all the heavy lifting for you. And like I said, once you join this, and if you go for the generated program, this is cheap. This is affordable. As you know, right now it's $96 a month. This price could increase any time, so you have a chance. Okay, so click the link in the description box or in my comment box, which I pinned it. Click create your free account, start using it, and I highly recommend you upgrade to the generated program, because it's going to give you all these features and you're going to crush it. And guess what? Once you start doing this with a never giving up attitude, and you're persistent in doing what I'm teaching you, you're going to make 50 times more money back, okay? And you're going to thank me later. You're going to pray for me for telling you about this, because right now this is very, very hot and everyone is jumping on this. So there you go. If you loved my video, if you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, and I want to see you make multiple 4-5 figures a month online.